Okay, so today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the G6S Play. This is a really cool model of earbud. If you are not a fan of the AirPod style and the way it fits in your ear, this is a great one. And I really like this particular model about some features that it's got, like the case is a power bank. It'll store multiple charges, not just for the earbuds, but it actually has an outgoing USB port where you can charge, yes, an iPad, a tablet, and phones and devices. It has up to 5-volt capacity, 2.1 amp, which is great. And I'll show you this in one of the next videos. But let's just go ahead and unbox this, see what we're supposed to have. So, whoops, looks like that little guy came out. Okay, so it looks like we've got a right and left earbud. We'll get those guys out here. I love how small they are. Yes, in the bottom of the box, under the plastic, there should be some extra sizes of these little caps here, which should come off and on. Super important to know that when you've got earbuds, any type really, but even ones with these, that it matters on how it fits in your ear canal. It has everything to do with noise cancellation and sound quality, okay? So just keep that in mind. Here's the big bad boy. Yes, it's a little bit bigger than some of the other ones, but guess what? It's because this stores a lot more power. You don't hardly ever see where these true wireless stereo models of earbuds will have where you can plug an actual device into this and pull power out, especially tablets and iPads, because they require more volts, more power. And we'll go into that in a minute. This means that you can wirelessly charge this particular model. That means I don't have to plug this into a wall or a socket. I can literally set this on a wireless QI charging pad, which we talked about in a previous video, and we'll show that. Okay, so looks like I can open this bad boy. Okay, cool. This is a digital model. We'll talk about that in a minute. We're just getting what's inside here. Manual. Okay, that's good to have. There's some extra shroom caps there, and of course a charging cable. We have talked about how these charging cables of any brand, any kind, tend to go out, and so it is it's totally fine to use your longer or other mini micro charging tip. Okay, so that's it. That's what you got. You got your earbuds, your case, your extra tips, so that different people's ears can be accommodated there, and your manual. All right, in the next video, we'll talk about how to operate it.